All right, thank you so much, the moderator. I got the question that have been able to make it as a teacher to a global stage, and what are the skills, or what is that particular skill that has given me this? If I look at it, in 2019, when I was submitting my application, that took me to top 10 in the world under Global Teacher Prize by Vaki Foundation, one single set skill, or skill set rather, that I can really remember specifically will be critical thinking. My ability to think outside the box really helped me there. Yes, I think that's one skill that I will encourage every single teacher not to joke with. Ability to think beyond the status quo. Ability to think beyond the status quo. Ability to think extra. Ability to think beyond the box, outside the box, without the box, breaking the box, just thinking, how can I, what is 1 plus 1 turning to 11? Just thinking a little bit abnormal anyway, but you are just on the edge there. So that skill is innate for me. Everywhere I've gone to, if I will not mention critical thinking, I will mention collaboration. But for that global recognition, I must tell you that the skill that I can remember specifically is critical thinking. And critical thinking can be acquired. I always tell people, I think, let's say, in three ways, if I still remember them. One, evidence-based thinking. Whatever you are writing, whatever you are saying, is it established? Is it an established statement? You are not just saying anything out of the blue. So you are not just arguing that there are 20 million millionaires in Nigeria. No. Is it based on facts? Where is it coming from? Evidence-based. Okay. You must also learn how to take perspective of others too. A critical thinker is somebody who takes things calmly and is not dogmatic in his own view, listens to others and then observe their own view too. You are taking perspective from others, and then you are a non-routine thinker. Now, you always challenge status quo. You ask yourself, okay, must we ring bell in the school? Is there an alternative way to do this? Okay, must we clock in 8 o'clock and clock out 2 o'clock? This is not for you to challenge the system without any proper alternative, but you are just saying that yes, your ability to challenge the status quo and providing an alternative, a workable alternative. You're asking yourself, okay, as a physics teacher, why do we need to cook in a pot that has this round shape at the bottom? Can we use a rectangular what's it called, pot? You are just asking questions, and then you are basing it on evidence, and you are thinking of perspective of others. Once you can do this several times and you focus, you put your thoughts on something. That's another thing about critical thinking. Critical thinking has this advantage: it helps you to focus on something, and whatever you focus on tends to expand. Now, when I discovered critical thinking as far back as 2016 as a teacher, as a skill that should be acquired as a teacher under a particular program at British Council, I decided to focus in education very well, my own field as a teacher. Okay, must I enter the classroom with cardboard as my instructional materials? Can't I go with my phone and my jam box and play music for the students in the class? Thinking outside the box. So, in just your field, think outside the box, and this has really helped me. I sit back and I look at it. Okay, how else can I do this that is different from others? Must I write my lesson note with paper and pen and submit? No, I can type it. Okay, must I even type and print? No, I can type and put it in my tablet and submit my tablet to my HOD, and my HOD will ink on it. There are different things you can just do and think about. So basically, to answer the question straight now, critical thinking is just key for me, and it has really helped me as a teacher to attain this global status. Thank you.